Realme launched its new affordable smartphone in Indonesia called Realme 13. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme 13 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme 13 sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.95 by 75.45 by 7.92 millimeters, and it weighs around 187 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 13 has been priced in Indonesia for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,799,000 Indonesian rupiahs, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,999,000 Indonesian rupiahs. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Skyline Blue and Pioneer Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.